In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark reviews, amenities of the hotel and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location, attractions and landmark also. Find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests to enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 9.2, which is the superb. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Next, we talk about amenities of this hotel. So you can see on the screen, guests will be required to present photo ID at check-in. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the hotel is superb. Guests love to enjoy the surroundings. Two categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online for this hotel, along with various meal plans and payment policies. If you want booking for more details, go to link in description. If you are facing any kind of problem booking a room in this hotel, you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. If you have already visited this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel and you have not subscribed our channel,